Hello everybody, I'm Mehdi, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take the derivative of functions using the definition of functions. F prime of x is a notation for the derivative of original function. So if f of x is our original function, f prime of x is going to be the derivative of that function. It is defined as a limit process. F prime of x equals limit as h approaches 0. For this statement, we have a fraction on top, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So, if this limit exists, then you can calculate your derivative problem. Let's do that by solving this example. If f of x equals 2x squared minus 3x plus 5, now I'm gonna take the derivative of this function. F prime of x equals, now let's do the limit process as h approaches 0. We have to construct that fraction. Here, for the first term in the numerator, f of x plus h, we have to place h plus h in the original function instead of x. It means that here we have 2 times x plus h squared. Instead of x, I plugged in x plus h minus 3. Again, instead of x, we have to consider x plus h plus 5. Now, let's write the second term, minus f prime of x. We have a minus sign here, so let's rewrite f of x function inside a parenthesis to consider this minus for all terms. Minus 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 in parenthesis divided by h. Here we have to do algebra process. H approaches 0 for this limit. We have to, do this thing. X squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus, now let's distribute this minus 3 for x and for h plus 5 minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 divided by h. Now we have to do more algebraic process as h approaches 0 for this limit process. We have 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared minus 3x minus 3h plus 5 minus 2h squared plus 3x minus 5 over h. As you see, this plus 5 cancels this minus 5. This minus 3x can cancel this plus 3x. In addition, this 2x squared cancels this minus 2x squared. Let's do some cleaning. F prime of x equals limit as h approaches 0 for 4xh plus 2h squared minus 3h divided by h. If you plug in 0 for h, you will get 0 over 0, so doesn't exist. But we can factor out this h in the numerator. So let's do that. H times 4x plus 2h minus 3 over h. Now this h cancels this h. We have f prime of x equals limit as h approaches 0 for this statement 4x plus 2h minus 3. Now if you plug in 0 for h, this term is going to be 0, and f prime of x equals 4x minus 3. This is the final answer for this derivative problem. As you see, we have to do complicated algebra simplification to be able to solve this problem using the definition of derivative. Anyway, we have some direct and simplified ways to reach this final answer. For example, if you apply the power rule, you can directly solve this problem and get this answer. If you are not familiar with the power rule, you can watch our video which is dedicated to the power rule for differentiation. I hope you enjoy this video. See you next time.